Recording.
Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. So the problem says, in triangle ABC, D lies on BC, E lies on AC, F lies on AB, such that BE to DC is 5 to 3, AF to FB is 1 to 4, AD, BE, and CF intersect at P. Let BP intersect the circumcircle of ABC at a point Q. Given that AB is 10, BC is 16, and AC is 17, what is the area of AEQ? So first, so we know AF to FB is 1 to 4, and we also know AB is 10, so that means that AF is 2 and FB is 8. And then since we know BD to DC is 5 to 3 and BC is 16, we know that BD is 10 and DC is 6. And then since these three CVNs meet at one point, then that means that by then we can find the ratio of AE to EC by Chavis theorem. So Chavis theorem basically says that AF over FB times BD over DC times CE over EA is equal to 1, since these three CVNs meet at one point. So AF to FB we know is 1 to 4, and then BD to DC we know is 5 to 3, and CE over EA is 1. Okay, so CE over EA is just equal to 12 over 5, and since AC is 17, then CE is 12, and AE is 5. So then now we can use, so in order to find, so we want to find the length of BE. So in order to find the length of BE, we use something called Stewart's theorem. Stewart's theorem basically says that AB squared times CE plus BC squared times AE is equal to AE times EC times AC plus BE squared times AC. So we know that AB is equal to 10, and then we know CE is 12, and then we know BC is 16, then AE is 5, and then AE was 5 times 12 times 17, and then plus we don't know BE squared yet, and then AC is 17. And then if we solve this, we get that 17BE squared is equal to 1460. So now BE squared is equal to 1460 over 17. So in order to find the area of AEQ, since AEB and AEQ share a common height, then the ratio of their areas is just, so first we know the area of ABC you can find by Hearn's formula. So ABC is just equal to, so if we let the semi-perimeter be the average of its sides, so it's 10 plus 16 plus 17 over 2. So then the semi-perimeter is 43 over 2. So then the area is just the square root of the semi-perimeter times the semi-perimeter minus each side. And then now if we solve this, we get the following. So now we know that, so this is the area of ABC, and then AEB is just 5 over 12 times the area of ABC. And then the area of AEQ is just EQ over EB times the area of AB. So EB we got was the square root of 1460 over 17, and then in order to find EQ, we use PowerPoint. PowerPoint basically says that AE times EC is equal to BE times EQ, and AE is 5, EC is 12, and then BE is just the square root of 1460 over 17 times 1460 times EQ. So then that means that we can find EQ, and EQ is 60 times the square root of 17 over 1460. So now putting this all together, so we have the area of AEQ is equal to EQ, which we have is 60 times the square root of 17 over 1460 over BE, which is the square root of 1460 over 17. And then the area of AEB, which is just 5/12 of the area of ABC. So then if we solve this, we get 25 times 17 over 1460 times the area of ABC, which is times, so if we take out, so the 9 is 3 squared, so we can take that out, and then you have the square root of 43 times 23 times 11 over 4. And we can cancel 5 here. And then this is just our answer, and then we just calculate. And after we calculate this, we get that it simplifies to this, and this is our answer.